Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay. I'm trying to collect more plants for the summer. You know, we're in what month are we? March. It's March, the end of March. So, I put the tomatoes that I had last year was this type of tomato. Store bought, and it was the same way as this one. Very sweet, very tasty. I took some of the seeds, to at least I think I got a few of them there. But I probably just have one because it's very hard to grow tomatoes in a small space. But anyway, these I'm gonna be eat it just like that, like if it was a fruit. I love tomatoes, so ain't no problem. The thing was that when I planted this plant, it was the same one as this one, and the ones that came out was sweeter for some reason. So I had it was like a darker red and very sweet. I don't know. It came out like this one. I don't know what I might get out of that one. I don't know. But I'm gonna grow tomatoes, and I'm gonna see if I could make my cucumbers grow. I have those seeds, and only one grew, and then it died. So I don't know if it's the seeds or it's just me. But I'm gonna try it again. I still got a whole stack of cucumbers there, so I'm gonna put that in too. Okay, I just opened a little space to put the seeds in. Then I just cover it up. Let me see if I could get them. Okay, right there. Let me see if I could dump them. Come on, get in there. Hold on. Okay, it didn't want to come back out of the paper. The paper was wet, and it didn't want to come out. So what I did was, I'm just gonna plant it with the paper. Let's see if it works. I just want one seed. So how you call it? I think it'll work because the paper is gonna disintegrate. That's gonna take like I don't know. I think like a week to grow. It's gonna disintegrate. So there goes that one. Let me go and get the cucumbers. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one in the middle is 5. I'm just gonna pressure them inside like this. And I'm sorry I didn't show how I picked them. I picked the most plum. Yeah, they're like plum. They're full in the middle, so I figured maybe that would help it grow. Because they look healthy, but I don't know why I cannot grow it. Okay, so as you see, I just then cover it. The dirt is nice and moist, so it's not gonna get wet for another couple of days. And now I have to get a magic marker and just write cucumber here, and here it says herbs and peppers. So it's not going to be herbs and pepper. Next to it, I'll be putting tomato. And see if they grow. As you can see, this one was dying. And look how beautiful now it is. And now, if you see, 2 of them already have taken out their flowers. They're growing okay. I hope they do make it. I don't know if they're going to live or not. Because the sun is not that much, at this time. So, anyway. God bless you all, and how you call it? And as soon as these 2 grow, I'll show you the same way with the corianders. Where as soon as they grow beautifully, I will show it too. And if this grows beautifully, not the flower but the plant. If I see it doesn't work here, I will take it somewhere else to get it to see if they can make it better. I forgot one thing. There's a plant right in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little baby plant. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna plant it here because I don't know what it is. I was thinking about putting it in where I got my strawberries, but I don't want to bother my strawberries because I got 2 baby strawberries that is living there. Plus, the other one is 2 strawberry also. And it's having strawberries, and I don't want to bother it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in this corner right here and see what grows there. If it's a strawberry, then I'll pass it to a strawberry. If it's just grass or whatever, then I just throw it out. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.